Welcome to the Masters Education YouTube channel. This is Satya. Today our topic is cash book or single column cash book. Coming to problem number 3, that is preparation of cash book or single column cash book. Here from the following transaction as on 31st March 2020 of MKR and Co. On 1st March cash purchase 20,000 rupees. Then second date cash purchase from Hanma 30,000 rupees. Purchase goods from Srikanth 50,000 rupees. Cash received from Kondal 10,000 rupees. Cash sales 30,000 rupees. Cash sales to Naresh 40,000 rupees. Sold goods to Anji 60,000 rupees. The last transaction, that is 8 date, cash paid to Sairam 5,000 rupees. Now we are coming to transactions 1st March, that is cash purchase 20,000. Here we are going to cash account. Of cash book we are already known. It have two sides, one is debit, another the credit side. It's look like a tea shop. Now we are coming to debit side, date, particulars, ledger, portfolio, amount, whereas credit side also same. Cash book credit side, date column 2020 March 1. Go to particulars column. By purchase account, here the transaction is related to on first date goods purchased 20,000. That's why reason we are taking amount 20,000. Now we are going to another transaction. 2nd March cash purchase from Hanma 30,000 rupees. We are going to prepare cash book. Purchase is always debit, that's why reason we are coming to cash book credit side. Now take date column. 2nd March by purchase account 30,000 rupees according to ungiven transaction. Now we are going to another transaction. To third transaction, that is purchase goods from Srikanth 50,000 rupees. Here it is credit transaction, that's why reason we don't need to post the cash account. Now we are going to another transaction. 4th March cash received from Kondal. It is related to cash transaction. Now we are going to cash book. According to about transaction, cash is coming to the business, that's why reason we are debit. That's why reason we are going to debit side of the cash book. March 3rd to Kondal account, it is 10,000 amount. Now we are going to another transaction. 5th date cash sales 30,000 rupees. Now we are going to cash book. Cash account is debit, sales account is credit. That's why reason we are going to debit side of the cash book. Date column 5th March to sales account, that is going to amount column, that is 30,000. Now we are going to another transaction. 6th March cash sales to Naresh 40,000. Here clearly defined it is cash sales, that's why reason we are going to cash book. Going to date column, 6th date, particular to sales account. Now we are going to amount column, that is 40,000. This transaction is complete. Now we are going to another transaction. 7th March goods sold to Anji 60,000 rupees. It is clearly defined, it is credit transaction, we don't need to prepare cash book. Now we are going to last transaction, that is 8 date, cash paid to Sairam 5,000 rupees. So it is cash related transaction, we are going to cash book. Cash is going to the business, that's why reason we are going to credit side of the cash book. Date column 8th March by Sairam, then going to amount column 5,000. Now it is complete, there is no related transaction to cash. Now all transactions are completed in given problem. So we going to balancing of the cash book. Now we are coming to debit side, 10,000, 30,000, 40,000, it is 80,000. Then compare with credit side, then 20, 30, 50 plus 5, 55. So debit side is more than credit side, that's why reason we are taking both side with 80,000. Now we are coming to credit side, that is cash book credit side. Date column is take 31st March. Going to particular column, by balance carried on, the compare both amounts, it is 80,000, that one is 55,000. Then 80,000 minus 55,000, it is 25,000. This amount is closing amount for this month. This amount is transferred from next month to 1st April. Then going to particular column to balance brought down, then going to amount column 25,000. Now problem is complete. Thank you for watching this class. If you are like this class, please subscribe this YouTube channel for more videos and share with your friends.